So it's another day in the office. We received 4 seat belts, 2 already installed, steering airbag, knee airbag and a complete dash. So today we're tackling all the airbags, try and get the interior all finished so then we can just focus on the bodywork and the front end of the car. So the dashboard's ready to come out, but the steering wheel and all the other electronics in the way, so I need to remove this lot before I take the dash out. I've got the new dash ready, everything's been taken out of the old one into the new one, all the modules, so it's just a case of putting it back in, bobbing it back together and plugging everything back in to how it should be. Dashboard is out, time for a new one. So the new dash is in, it's time to connect to the wires, put the storage back in, put the knees airbag back in, and we're good to go. So last final bit after installing the knees airbag is just this little plastic moulding that sits in there, which is your OBD scanner and your footwell lighting. So I'm going to secure that now in place. This goes in like that and then you have to lock it in place. Now it's got these clips that it needs to clip on and then screws that go underneath. Okay. So dashboard is in, steering airbag in. Basically 90% is done. I've just got the center column to go in and I've had to solder a wire that controls the light. So when you open the glove box, the light turns on. That was ripped out, so I had to solder that together. Now it's all done. I'm going to put it back together and hopefully it all works. So it's time for the center armrest to be installed, as long as the climate control and the last few bits and bobs. This is the very first thing that needs to come out before we tackle any of the other components. We have to remove this to get to the module, and of course there's bolts and screws that hold the whole dashboard. when we fit in seatbelts, we need to make sure that this mechanism is in line with this. Otherwise, when it's installed, we won't be able to move it upwards, downwards, and it won't swing. Bum. Bum, bum, bum. And bum into here. Now I need to get the bolt. First seatbelt done. Seatbelt number 2 complete. Seatbelt number 3. Seatbelt number 4. Airbag number 5, which is the knee airbag. Screen fitted. Time to put all the components back into its place. So the new parts have arrived. I'm going to be fitting new aircon rad, new slam panel, and a new reinforcer. I've tried to line the bonnet, but it's just not having none of it, so I've ordered a new set of hinges. I'm about to whack them on now.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason.
So as you can see, the lens is broke as well as the casing. However, online I've got replacement of the lens and the casing. So exactly how the wires look now, I'm going to put them into the new one. Sometimes it's better to take a picture so you remember where everything goes.
like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
I've installed CarPlay as well as the rear view camera. The car is now finished.